In this video I will show you how to add a debit card to a CashApp account. Subscribe to the channel and like it and watch this video to the end. First you need go to the CashApp account and click on the icon of your CashApp profile. Then you need to scroll down a little and select Link in Banks. Here you can add your debit card in the CashApp application. To do this, click Link Debit Card. Add a bank using your debit card. Linking an external account allows you to move money in and out of your CashApp balance. Next, you need to enter your debit card number, the month and year until which it's valid, as well as the CVV code on the back of the card, and the last item is the zip code. Then you press the button in the lower corner of the link card of screen. If you don't have a debit card yet, you can press the Not Card button. Here you can link your bank account by reading some of the conditions that the CashApp will tell you. After which you click the Continue button. Here you select the bank where you have an account opened. Then you need to log in to your personal account of this bank and link your bank account to your CashApp account. You can also get a free debit card from CashApp. From this you need to go back to the main menu and click on the second button from below. Then click Get Free Cash Card and follow the instructions from application. If you still have any question, be sure to ask in the comments under the video. Good luck to everyone so far.